If you wish to schedule an email to be sent at a later time, you can do it easily in Outlook. Before you click send, you have to go to Options tab and then click on Delay Delivery. And here you can specify the date. I will choose today. Here you can specify the time. I will choose 3 p.m. So the email will be sent after 3 p.m. today. Then click send. As you see, the email will go to the outbox and stay there until the scheduled time arrives. Pay attention, the Outlook application needs to be open during this time. The second method is through the webmail. Here it is much easier and does not require the Outlook application to be opened all the time. All you need to do, instead of clicking on send, click on this arrow and then click schedule send. And then you can specify a date and time. You can go to customized time and then you can choose a date and time from this and click send.